Here are some instructions for your letter that we will send to the resident that you've been assigned. I want you to chop it up into 4 sections. Start with an introduction or the reason that you're writing this letter. And then most of the letter will be about you and any questions that you might have about them and their life. Maybe include something about your grandparents and things that you like to do with them, and then end with an encouragement or a Bible verse. And of course, we start with a greeting and end with signing off on the letter. So let me read my letter to you just to give you some ideas of what you could write about. Dear Joe, that's my assigned resident. My name is Wendy, and I'm a teacher at Sioux Falls Christian School. My 8th graders and I heard that you weren't able to have any visitors or even leave your room much. School has been closed for now, and we are learning at home with the help of technology. We wanted to take this time and reach out to you. We thought maybe a letter could brighten your day in these uncertain times. Here's a little bit about me. I've been a teacher at Sioux Falls Christian for 21 years. This year I'm teaching 8th grade U.S. history and 7th grade geography. I also do a little coaching and tutoring on the side. My husband and I have 3 daughters, a senior, a freshman, and a 6th grader. We also have a mini poodle that we love to hate, Leo. We are avid Iowa Hawkeye fans. We are very involved in our church, the Ransom Church, and love serving in various ways. Our family vacations to a lake in northern Minnesota every summer. It's our favorite week of the year. We love boating and being together as a family. I would love to hear about your family and things you love to do. As a child, I loved being with my grandparents. I lived in the same town as both sets of grandparents and was blessed to spend lots of time with them. I loved fishing with my grandpa and baking with my grandma. What a gift they were to me. Wonderful role models of the importance of family, working hard, and living out our faith. We pray that you are encouraged today and that you know God will continue to watch over you and all of us. I will leave you with a favorite verse of mine from Psalm 91, verse 4. He will cover you with his feathers, and under his wings you will find refuge. His faithfulness will be your shield and rampart. Of course, you're going to write yours on a loose leaf piece of paper. Unless you have a printer and you'd like to do it that way, that's fine too. But then when you are done with it, of course, you have to fill out your envelope. So I have this sample envelope here. You're going to write the address of the resident right here. And here's the information that you need. The InnatWestport, Kathy Scott is the lady that we are working with. Attention, and this is where you're going to put your resident's name. And here is the street address and Sioux Falls, South Dakota, and it is a 57108 address. You're going to put your return address right here, and then of course your stamp goes right here. I also have posted, in case you need a reminder of who your person is. If you go in Classroom, it's posted. All 3 of these things are posted together under a topic, and you can find your name and who you've been assigned to. Again, that person's name goes right here and at the head of your letter up here. All right. So that will be your only assignment for today, is to write this letter and get it in the mail. Take a picture of yourself putting it in the mailbox or sealing your envelope or something, and you can text me that or attach it to this thread. Again, that information is in Classroom for you.